Have you ever wondered how your body processes the food you eat? It's a marvel, really. Digestion, a complex yet fascinating process that begins the moment you take that first delicious bite. This journey, unbeknownst to many, involves several key players: the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Each with a unique role to play, they work in harmony to break down food into usable energy. So, when you munch on your favorite snack, you actually kickstart a fascinating journey. The moment you take a bite, your body springs into action. Our fascinating journey begins in the mouth. Here, teeth break down our meal into manageable morsels, while saliva kickstarts the chemical process. And that's just the beginning. The real adventure starts now. Your food, now a mushy substance, travels down a long tube called the esophagus. This isn't just a food chute. It's a vital highway, linking your mouth to your stomach. Through rhythmic contractions, it guides the food on its journey. Next stop, the stomach. As the food enters the stomach, it's time for some serious mixing. Picture this: a potent cocktail of enzymes and stomach acid working together like a well-oiled machine. The stomach, with its muscular walls, acts like a powerful blender, mashing up the food into a more manageable form. It's a chemical and physical dance, breaking down the food at a microscopic level. This process ensures that nutrients are ready for absorption, prepping the food for its next journey. Once the stomach finishes, it's time for the small intestine to step in. The small intestine might be small in diameter, but it's where most of the magic happens. It's here where our food's final transformation occurs. Nutrients are absorbed and ushered into our bloodstream, giving our bodies the energy we need to thrive. The journey is almost over, but there's one final stage. Finally, the food reaches the large intestine. Here's where a bit of magic happens. It absorbs the remaining water and nutrients, morphing the leftovers into something we're all familiar with: feces. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of food through your digestive system.